Hey guys, today we're not welcome. We are back into another video. Oh, sorry. We are back into another video. And you can speed up this video to wait for the champ, because the champ is about 5 minutes away from starting. But the reason I am filming this is Cinnamon's well, no, not Cinnamon. I have decided to name her Coco. So this is Coco's first champ. She's only level 4. I don't know why I'm deciding to race with a level 4 against probably a bunch of level 15s, but still. I am filming this because this is going to be her first champ ever. So this is going to be so if I get a ribbon, this is going to be a memorable ribbon. I will not sell it because usually I sell my ribbons for shillings. Cause I'm kind of broke on shillings, and I want a little more, so I always I knew that was gonna happen, but I always just sell my ribbons for money. The only ribbons I don't sell is those memorable. Oh my gosh, sorry, I can't talk. Memorable ribbons. So yeah, I am going to turn my sounds on. Try to turn some of my sounds on. Like for music, maybe. Okay, hold on. Let me pause this to see if I can try. Okay, guys, I cannot figure out how, but still, I am going to see if I can play music loud enough that it can actually go into the computer sounds. So I'm going to get like music on my iPad and see if I can play it loud enough for you guys to hear it. Because I do want to have a bit of music on while I'm gonna have a little bit of music on. Oh, sorry if you hear some noises, guys. My mom is coming home. So yeah, I'm going to try and play some music, see if you guys can hear it. And if you can't, just play your own music to this video. So yeah, just if you can't hear it, play some music to its own video. Okay, so I'm just gonna play some music. Okay, my microphone is not like whenever I talk, my microphone on the little recorder turns black, but when I'm not talking, it turns gray. And when I was playing music, it was saying gray. So I bet you can't hear it. So just play some of your own music to this video. And how to play this video at fast speed. Because I don't know how to speed up videos. I'm not that good of an editor yet. So just go into those three little dots and hit playback speed and set it to your own speed. If you want to speed up the championship, hit 2 times. If I have enough time, I will give oh wait, no, I can't give off a demonstration on my computer. But still, just go into those three little dots if you're on iPad. Go to the three little dots and then you can hit playback speed and hit 2 times to speed up the championship. So yeah. So yeah, just gonna and sorry if I sing a little bit during this video because that I actually have music on. So I'm a big singer if you didn't know that about me. By the way, I'm going to be making a Q&A soon, so ask me some questions down in the comments below. I would love to hear some of your questions. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. I just like Kids Bop is my favorite because I'm a little young. I'm only about 10 years old, so I like Kids Bop Kids. So just I'm singing to their songs. Oh, did you know? Did you know your horse is actually made by the SSO players? What? No, I think they're made by SSO. I think they're actually made by SSO team. Yeah, no, I think they're actually made by the Star Table team. Barefoot on the grass. Oh, winners get Chick-fil-A. Oh, I really want to win if we're gonna get Chick-fil-A. Okay. I looked at the route before, so I should know some shortcuts. Oh, why'd I walk straight into that? Because you guys saw that. Oh my gosh, I'm doing this on purpose. What the heck? Oh, come on! This ice has really helped us shortcuts. Just to say, guys, this ice has really. Oh, maybe it doesn't work. I have to. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, if you have to enter a championship, just enter the checkpoint backwards. You will get in very last place, but just enter the checkpoint backwards, and you will still keep the checkpoint. You will not be eliminated from the race. That is a true fact. I use it all the time. Oh my god, here comes singing again. We fell in love, that is all lost. Oof! Please die. Oh my god, sorry guys, that's my dogs! Ah! Hey, Bales! Baby, I'm in so dead last. Ah, get away from me. Are you kidding me? Someone's already completed the race? Jane, oh, good job, Jade. Or good job, Jane. I'm so laggy, so it looks like Cocos so fast. Like so fast. Okay, well guys, this was Cocos first champ. So we're almost done. We're almost done with it. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then a little shortcut through the rocks. I came in dead. Well, I didn't. Thankfully, I didn't come in dead last. Okay, well, guys, that's it for you. Again, if you wanted to speed up the championship, go into the little dots and click playback speed and click 2 times or times 2, or yeah, just 2 times, and that will speed up the champ for you. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys!